Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hello students, in this question we have to tell about two techniques which are used for protein purification. First technique is gel filtration and the second technique is SDS PAGE. Now gel filtration separate proteins and the separation is based on the size and shape of protein. Whereas SDS page separate proteins on the basis of their molecular weight. So this is the basic difference between the principle of gel filtration and SDS page technology. In gel filtration, we use a porous plate which contains very small holes on its surface. Hence, it will allow the proteins of a particular size to pass through it. Those will be smaller size proteins. That is how it will separate proteins depending upon their size and shape. This type of porous column is known as molecular sieve. Now, in SDS page technology, the protein is first denatured and then denatured protein is treated with SDS. SDS is basically a detergent that binds the proteins and give them a uniform negative charge. Then the proteins those are bound are loaded on a gel. Now that gel is made up of a polymer that is polyacrylamide. Now when electric current is passed through this gel, various proteins move under the influence of electric field. Now the movement, or we can say the speed, under the influence of electric field is directly proportional to charge divided by mass. Since binding them in the initial state with SDS detergent gave them a uniform negative charge, so we can say that charge is same for all the bounded proteins. Now proteins differ in their molar masses. That is why proteins with molar mass lower will have high speed under the electric field. Hence, they will be separated first. And proteins whose molar mass is higher they will have lower speeds under electric field. Hence, they will be separated last. So this is how both these two technologies are used for separation, or we can say purification of proteins. I hope you found this solution helpful. Thanks for watching.